The all-new Mercedes-Benz 2022 S580 costs 170 million naira. Now, but is that all there is to this car? Does it cost just 170 million? Today we're going to find out life after buying this car. We're going to learn about the maintenance and what the parts cost. My name is Olamide and this is 234 Drive. Let's talk about the parts that are most prone to accidents in this car. First, the headlights. Now, these headlights cost 900,000 each. For the grills here, they cost 800,000. Now to our mirrors. Now, for this part of the mirror, it costs 600,000, while for the actual mirror, it goes for 150,000 naira. Now, moving to the back of the car, we have the tail lights. Now the tail lights are divided into two segments. We have the inner and the outer part. For the inner part of the tail lights, it goes for 180,000, while the outer part goes for 300,000 naira each. Let's talk about the tire of this car. Now the tire itself costs 210,000 naira. The wheels cost 1.5 million naira. The brake pad is 200,000 for 4. And the brake disc is 140,000 each. Now the suspension of this car. The suspension of this car is about 5 million naira. To buy another car, would you rather buy this or stick to your Corolla? Let's find out. Now let's talk about the steering of this car. To fix the steering column in the S580, it will cost you 1.5 million naira plus 500,000 for labor, making it 2 million naira to fix the steering column of this car. Now, if you look at this car, there are sensors all around the car that show you exactly what is going on in and around it. And if anything happens to this, it will cost you 800,000 naira to fix that. Now, this beautiful steering costs 5 million naira. A whooping 5 million naira for this steering. So if anything happens to this, you are buying, it's the price of a Corolla. You're spending all that money to fix it. All right, let's talk about the screens in this car. So we have two screens here. Now this screen is called the tachometer screen and it costs 1.2 million naira. Now this, on the other hand, is called the MBUX entertainment screen and it costs a whooping 2 million naira. Let's talk about the window in this car now. The window costs 500,000 each. Now they're photochromic windows, which means that they don't let in as much light. And also, this car has a special bottle of perfume called the atomizer, which gives the car its own wonderful scent. And this goes for 120,000 naira each. Now that you know the true costs of the S580, would you still buy this car? Let us know in the comment section. Now, if you're looking to buy this car or any other car, as usual, send us an email at 234drive@gmail.com and we'll be happy to send you in the right direction as always. My name is Olamide and this is 234 Drive.